Hello everyone, Lina here. I'm an FTW student from MSc Central. Today I'm going to present for my final project for subject organizational behavior. The topic I choose for this final project is emotion in organizational or workplace. Okay, let's go into the poster I've prepared for you all to explain what is emotions. What is emotions happen in workplace? Let's go into it. Okay, what are emotions? Emotions are that feeling we experience in response to events. Okay, it means emotions is the feeling something like happy, sad, or anger like that. Some even happen make us happy, some not happy. That's emotion that we can feel when something happen. Okay, emotions are two types. One is positive emotion and another one is negative emotion. Positive emotions such as happiness, joy, excitement, some more. This this kind of feelings you can feel when something make you good, something make you feel good and happy. This kind of emo you can feel. Another side is negative emotion. Negative emotion something like disappointment, frustration, anger, something like that, something make you feel very bad. That's different for positive and negative emotion. These both type of emotion, that is positive and negative, also have their own impact. Okay, for positive emotions, that impact is all so far good impacts. Something like in workplace, if we take the we can increase the moral and motivation for ourselves at workplace. Other than that, we can increase our productivity in workplace. Some more, we also can improve our collaboration and communication among the co-workers or our staffs like that. Probably for positive emotions, we can earn many benefits. Okay, let's look into the impact for negative emotions. Okay, once your emotions is negative on your at your workplace, your job, your productivity will be lower, your self motivation or morality also will be decreased. You will feel dissatisfaction with your job. Other than that, you will happen lack of communication among your co-workers and the rest. Okay, let's see my second poster, which is show you what is the issues appeal because of negative emotion. Okay, the first thing will happen is conflicts between team members. This will happen because of difference opinion, communication or work approach between them. The second one is lack of communication. Poor communications or ineffective communications can lead to misunderstanding. This misunderstanding make a big conflicts between them also. The third issue is unclear expectation. This will happen when roles, responsibilities, or project goals are not clearly defined. They may feel confused and leading to frustration or decreased motivation between them. Okay, let's go into the poster number 3 that shows how to solve the issues that we discussed just now. Let's see into that. The first way is to solve the communications problem by encourage them to open communications. Foster an environment where team members feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and concerns. A clear communications between them can help address issue before they escalate into the negative emotions. The second way to solve the issue is by promote a positive work culture by encouraging teamwork and appreciations recognition among team members. A good positive work culture can increase motivation and morality between them. Other than that, this also can decrease the negative emotions surfacing. Thank you. The third way to solve the issues is by provide support and resources. By offer resources such as conflict resolution training, stress management techniques, and providing counseling to help team members to cope with challenge effectively. Okay, everyone, I hope by this presentation you all can understand what is workplace emotions, what type of emotions, and what are the issues at play, and what are the solutions for the emotions. Thank you very much for joining us.